your shoulders, you carried more than anyone knew. Smiling through the noise and the pressure, trying to be strong all the way through. Every step asked something from you, every moment needed your name. But tonight you don't owe the world, you don't have to play that game. Slow down your breathing, let the silence arrive. Nothing is chasing you now, nothing needs to survive. Tonight you can finally rest. Lay your armor down on the floor. You don't have to hold it together, you don't have to fight anymore. Tonight just breathe and stay wrapped in the softest light. You are enough, exactly as you are, and everything will be alright. All the words you never spoke, all the tears you pushed away, they don't need an answer now. They can gently drift and fade. You've been walking for so long without stopping to feel the ground, but I'm here to remind you, you're allowed to slow it all down. No one is asking, no one is waiting. This moment belongs only to you. Tonight you can finally rest. Close your eyes, loosen your hands. Let the weight fall from your heartbeat. Let your soul quietly land. Tonight there's nothing to prove, no future you need to chase. Just stay in this soft and gentle now, in this warm and sacred space. If your heart is tired, let it lean on me. If your mind is restless, let it float and be. You don't have to decide, you don't have to know. Even the stars rest sometimes, even the moon moves slow. You are safe, you are held, nothing is missing, nothing is wrong. Tonight you can finally rest, like the ocean after the tide. Everything finds its place again, everything settles inside. Tonight let yourself be small, let yourself disappear into the quiet, into the dark, where love is always near. Breathe You've done enough.